Hello everybody, what's up? Say hi. Welcome back to yet another reaction. So today I'm reacting to Nthawi. In case you guys missed it, this is the new edition that have been keeping me busy, right? And I can't do anything with this little one, right? Yeah, so you're keeping me busy. And he just turned 1. That's why you guys are able to see him now. Because before then, he was just... Okay. Anyway, I'm reacting to Nthawi by Wezi. Are you ready? I'm introducing you to good stuff right here, buddy. If you are here for the first time, it's an alanga titi. Dimankala gunuku USA Goma di Machogeraku Botswana. I think Nthawi does not have anything that is inappropriate for this little one. So you can watch it with your kids too. Okay? If they are able to do that. I want you to like relax, chill. Okay, let's see what we can see. Okay, are you ready? Yeah, Wezi is one of my favorite artists to come out of Zambia. I've been following her for a minute, so I hope
did you ever love me?
Yes, I did. Butterflies in my stomach every time I saw you.
When did it stop? What happened?
You started instigating quarrels. I think you liked it every time we had a fight. Maybe that was your way of...
By the way, if you do not speak Chichewa or Nyanja, Nthawi means time. I said Nthawi, that's Nthawi.
Showing love. I don't know.
Was that the reason why you betrayed me with other women?
No excuses there, buddy.
Seko yangu watola, chimwemwe changu chasoba, ningayambile pani neo, kukumvisha kubawa kwa mtima wangu. Te amba tiala wino weo na neo, mapakati pa mzeo mwanjinjila, uyu mutima ni utwale kuni, kulungishisha neo.
I don't know if I'll be able to pay attention, but I'm trying to listen to the
word. Wenze kutita pesa na mutikondi, kumachuone katebidi mila, tenzo funika kuzipantawi, omba tapatukana, tito chapina, tejifya. We should have given it a little more time. Like you never cared at all. Nthawi chendi iwe mutani, chendi chisimba chotyani. Amene nizukaniza nili nawe, weni chinjila nzelu neweni utuka. Nthawi chendi.
This is artistic, man. Like this is from the artists that are sure of who they are. I don't know. Anyway, the lyrics are so good. I'm able to pick up a few things here and there. Like, obviously, she pretty much translated the whole song, or like given us the gist of the song for those of us who do not speak
Nimbo tenzo vina pango ikaliulila kumaseo telekeja nyozana kujana boipa uluacho tileta pambo tenzo zibalini yai tilezibane bwino tehamba kusakila chikondi uliwantu chotyani. Amene nizukaniza nili nawe, weni
the instruments on this, and I think this is the what do you call it? The essence of what you get when instruments are played live. Okay, like, do you hear this, buddy? Do you hear the music? Beautiful, isn't it? Yeah, man. Those guitars. Yeah, it's one of those things where you are like asking yourself, like, was that real? Because you did so quickly. I think that's the whole thing. Like, you didn't give it time, bro. Like, did you even love me in the first place? Anyway, that was kind of an emotional song. I don't know if it's supposed to be emotional. Why you want to be emotional, buddy? Yeah, beautiful stuff, right? Yes. It's good. How was the song? Yes. Thank you so much for joining us. Thank you so much for joining me and my little boy. If you're here for the first time, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell too, so you don't miss any of the uploads on this channel. What happens if somebody just watches without subscribing? Exactly. Anyway, I'll see you guys on the other side.